Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So as we see in the previous video, the comparison between branches and tags or commit, but we can also compare between two tags or two commit. For the commit, we need just to copy the ID here of the first commit and compare it, or here we write or we enter the ID of the other commit that we want to compare with, or with tags, for example with stable. For example, let's click here stable and let's hit enter, and let's with unstable and stable, let's hit enter, and it will be a comparison between those two tags. For here it tell me that there isn't anything to compare. That means stable is up to date with all the commits from unstable. That means the both are associated with the same commit, or they are the same thing in both of tags. But now you know the way to compare between two tags or two commit. And we can also commit between, for example, developer. We can also compare between this same branch, but for example we want to see what happened yesterday in this branch. So we see dev, then add, we open the bracket and we say, for example, 1 day. We close the bracket, we hit enter, and it will show us the difference that happened in this branch from yesterday to today. So here dev from yesterday and the dev in today. It tells us also there isn't nothing to compare with, because basically we just create this yesterday just for the test of how to create new branch, to deal with it, to merge it with the master branch and stuff like that. But now you see, or you know how to compare between two branches but in dates. For example, you want to see what happened in the dev branch, for example yesterday or 2 days before, or whatever you want. Let's see here, for example, compare it with the master, and let's see what happened like yesterday in the master. So master, then at, we open the bracket, for example 1 day, we close the bracket now, hit enter, and still, because everything is up to date. But now you know the way how to compare two branches in days. So I think this is all for this video, and see you next.